Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys my slime. So yeah, let me put you guys like don't fall like Sorry if you hear music in the background. So here is my slime. It's pretty like slimy and gooey, but it's like not sticky at all. And that's what I like about it. It also comes with like little foam balls and decorations. So yeah. So my slime is really cool. I like it a lot. Look at the little holes in it. And I have this like little container thing. Here. So yeah, that's my slime. I also have like cool little pretty gems. I don't know if you just saw that. It just fell. So it's right here. Little gem. Oh my god, it just fell again. So yeah, that was my slime. So I just wanted you guys to like, I don't know, I just wanted to show you guys my slime and stuff. So yeah, bye.